Hello and welcome back to another web exploitation CTF of PicoCTF, and this time we'll be solving cookies. In the description it said that who doesn't love cookies, try to figure out the best one, and for this challenge there is no hints. So let's go to this link first, and we are seeing that there is a type of prompt where snickerdoodle is written, and we have to search different kinds of cookies. So snickerdoodle is a real life cookie where we can eat. So let's type this, and this is written that this is a cookie, and this is not very special. So we can type a lot of another other types of cookies, and we can derive the answer from here. So if we list a lot of types of cookies here, so this is some sort of cookies that we can eat in real life. So if we type chocolate chip here like before, we have already tried it, and for this site it's case sensitive, so we have to use all small letters. So we have to write chocolate chip in small case and search it. As you can see, there is a cookie that's in the server of this site, which is chocolate chip cookies, and that is also a cookie. So in the description we have been given that we have to figure out the best one. So if we keep typing a lot of different sort of cookies, it will take a lot of time. So for these we can use burp suite again, and this time we have to turn intercept on as usual and check for other any sort of clues we can get from here. Right, so if we go back to intercept, or maybe go back to home first. Alright, so this is something we are getting when we are going to the home button, and forwarding this would give us this site. And let's try again with chocolate chip cookies instead of snickerdoodle. So this is chocolate chip cookies, and forwarding this should give us that window where he's loving that cookies. So intercept is giving us this, and we're getting these sort of answers. So let's check. So when we are searching, we don't have any cookies. In case of there is a cookie, this is -1, and we are checking when we're typing the names, the URL is /check. So this is the URL which we are using in order to derive the cookies. And as you can see, the cookie has changed from name equals to -1 here in the search URL to name equals to 0. This was for snickerdoodle, and if we check for a chocolate chip cookie that was made after the snickerdoodle search, we can see the cookie's name equals to 1. So the cookie in this request is incrementing with +1. So we can use intruder and iterate through this in order to get our actual answer. So let's send this one to the intruder and use battering ram attack in this, and select this as a payload, since this is the only option we have. So we will be selecting payloads, and this would be numbers, since in this case we can only give numbers and nothing else. So let's try from step 0 to step 30, and it will iterate with +1. And if we start this attack, as you can see, the attack is in progress, and for each length of the responses we're getting more than 1900, For the first response, there is no response that this is a cookie or something else, so we can understand that. So maybe the special cookie we have would have more response, and we can determine if the flag is inside that or not. So you have to wait a bit for this, and we can check the responses in the meantime. So as you can see, the response says that this is a cookie, not very special though, like in our website. So if we check this and sort this using the length, we find the actual cookie. And before that, uh, payload number 29 has returned us with 556, meaning that in this payload there is no more cookies. He didn't find any more cookie, so he's just sending this response. And compared to the others, this payload number 18 had a lot less length. So this might be our special cookie, and this is the flag we are trying to look for. So if we copy this, and before that please turn intercept on, or it would give you a lot of struggles. So we go back to the PicoCTF assignment. Here as you can see, the cookies challenge, and you can pass this one. So you have solved this problem. So thank you so much. I will be seeing you in the next video of another challenge.